Welcome to the JMT.
People, my people, I greet you and welcome now once again to this our news channel. We can do it to the follow us, like, share, and subscribe. And here they bring all the Obogen news they come your way. This will not be them say oh, this one I see for yourself, make you hear on for yourself. On today's news, Ize Iyamu don come out to beg the people of Edo State make them not try bring affliction come theirself the second time. They don't talk say the government where they on ground now affliction it dey cause different problem and e never make one progress since e enter power. Ize Iyamu don tell the people say make them not vote for anybody when Obaseki bring come out because na continuation of where e for stop. My people, want play on the video make una hear how im take talk this matter. Watch this video reach the end.
Comrade was your oppressor. Knowing Oshomole's penchant for fighting, nobody could believe that somebody he brought would want to fight him. And Comrade kept quiet. And because he kept quiet as a national chairman, people erroneously believed that it was the guilty party. And so when the second term came, when people ought to have said, nothing is happening, they came up with a meaningless slogan called Ogbane. What does Ogbane mean? Nothing. That showed the pattern of this man. The party that gave him shelter, he has more or less driven them almost out of the party. The one who was his deputy governor, he has arranged his impeachment. A lot of our people, our houses have been demolished or revoked for no just cause. And very recently, an abomination, the palace, has become the focus of his fight. The scripture is very clear. Nahum 1 verse 9. What do you imagine against the Lord? The Lord will put an utter end to it. Affliction will not rise up a second time. A continuation of Governor Obaseki is a continuation of affliction. Allowing Obaseki to bring a successor is rewarding ingratitude, rewarding bad behavior, rewarding non-performance. No matter what you would think about Comrade Adams Oshomole, the work that he did speaks for him. Even in the next 30 years, the roads that it had will speak for him. The only hospital remaining, because the central hospital has been demolished. I can't understand why you would demolish a hospital for a museum. The priority is very shocking. The same way you would destroy a library for ShopRite. Many of you will not know that for daring to contest with him, where I have a farmland at Amagba, the state government decided to revoke it. I am still in court with them. That is just one among the series of victimization Edo people has experienced. Is that the kind of government we want to continue?
My people, when I watch the video finish, and I don't hear what Ize Iyamu talk. What will not take for this matter? This Edo State election where they come soon, not be my mail. I bet make una drop na comment for comment section. Make una forget to like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, make una do it to stay safe. Una do.
DJ A.